In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use images that you created from Canva for your creation or make edits or changes on those images. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now you can see here I have quite a number of AI images and I like to use one of these images in my design. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to the image that you so wish and go ahead and just tap on it. And if you tap on it, you can see we have the image here. Now to edit or use your image in your design, go over to this option called open in editor, and then this will go ahead and open your image in editor. From here you can now begin adding all manner of effects. You can also even add text if you so wish. You can do it direct from here and your text will be added, and you can make as many changes as you so wish. And now alternatively, instead of typing your image to open it in the editor, you can also hover over this and you'll see we have this option called edit. If you tap on it again, it will still open your image in editor format. So that's how you edit your AI image that you created from Canva. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.